balcony upgrade, enhancing your view in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, balcony upgrade. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with interesting nuances that are great for English learners like you. So, let's get started and explore what balcony upgrade really means. The phrase, balcony upgrade, is a compound noun. It's made up of two words, balcony, which is a platform on the outside of a building, surrounded by walls or railings, and upgrade, which means to raise something to a higher standard or improve it. When combined, this phrase generally refers to improving or enhancing a balcony, making it larger, more comfortable, or more aesthetically pleasing. It's often used in the context of hotels or apartments. In real-life scenarios, you might hear balcony upgrade in various contexts. For instance, at a hotel, you might be offered a balcony upgrade if you move from a standard room to one with a balcony. Or, in a residential context, someone might talk about a balcony upgrade while renovating their apartment, indicating they are enhancing their balcony space. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. We decided to get a balcony upgrade at the hotel for a better view of the sea. 2. The balcony upgrade included installing new railings and outdoor seating. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different situations, helping you understand its practical application. That's all about balcony upgrade. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand this phrase better. Remember, learning English is all about understanding these small but significant phrases that make the language so rich and diverse. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.